Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, and in this video I'm going to show you my final studio setup. Alright, so now I have 3 of these Fovatech 600 LED bi-colored LED lights, and I've got them mounted on these Fovatech stands. So those are awesome, those are really heavy duty. I've got this king size comforter stapled up to the wall here. And this is a synthetic fill, synthetic shell comforter that I picked up for 70 bucks, and that's just to help with the reverberation in the sound, to help stop the reverberation. I've got these 2 windows blocked off to help stop sound coming in from the outside. And then over here, I have the 6-foot table that I did a review on a couple videos back, and I glued the carpet on top of the table. You can see these little white patches here. That's where the glue came through the carpet, but that's not a big deal. It doesn't really matter. I like the glue because I can take the carpet off, and I mean, it's on there tight enough that it doesn't slide or move around when I'm trying to use it, or if I fold the table up and put it over in the corner, the carpet doesn't fall off, but it's not on there so tight that I couldn't just like tear it off and then sand it down and have a clean tabletop again. Up here, I have a hook that I put into the wall, and I'm going to use this to hang rope so I can tie knots, and sometimes you need a rope hanging down vertically to show certain kinds of knots. So I've got that up there, and it'll also work great to, you know, put some paracord on and then like hang a backpack or hang clothes or whatever. If I need to show something that's just hanging, I can put it up there and that'll work. So yeah, there's the studio. It's basically done at this point. I can't think of anything else that I want to do to it. I might put another blanket on like this wall over here, or maybe one from the ceiling to help with the reverberation a little bit, but it's really not too bad, and I'm actually surprised at how good it is, you know, how good it sounds on the GoPro versus how it actually sounds in here, because when I watch these videos after I've recorded them, it sounds a lot better than it actually sounds in the room. So props to GoPro for that. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any ideas for the studio, drop a comment, let me know. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.